listen to this. The score has come in 81 championship points. Cole Wilson's another Cowboy gets to the finals 3 times. Looking to get it done on a beautiful Saturday night. He's going for 88.5 championship points. But he's trying to bowl a buckshot. This one's also been to the finals 3 times. He got to set himself back up. It's a match tape heavy. The first one out of shoot. Number 4. Let's go, Waynesboro. He can hear you. They call it the meter. The longer it is, the meter they give. Come on, you can do it. Hercules, Hercules, Hercules. All right. He's almost ready, Jamie. Here we go. We got him. Come on, go quick. He can hear you. Finish it. Finish it. Yes. Did he do it? Did he make it? Did he make it? He got it. And the judges have put pencil to paper. Listen to this. 79 championship points. Oh, yeah, man. Hey, give me a hot moment. Give me a hot moment song. Hey, give me music. Let's go. Come on. All right, here we go. You guys ready for this? All right, let's do it. No, not this one. No, don't do it.
Are you serious?
Mike,
gotta get
careful.
Gotta get.
Oh, boy.
Gotta get.
I warned y'all. That worked. All right, y'all ready? Here we go. Come on. Everybody cover your hands like this. Come on. Oh, yeah. Come on. You got it. Keep it going. All right, come on, buddy. Find the red hat. Got it? Oh, yeah. JP Captain coming right here. Work like this. Work 2. Here we go. He did it. He did it. We did the super twerk up there. You look like a tired raggedy ant. No. Show him again. Watch. Watch the super twerker. Watch him. He looked like one of the mania trucks where that thing gets stuck in gears. We're stuck. I think we're about to crack the latch. Come on, we got another champion. Look at that right now, the young gun. He's got no gold buckles, but he's looking to get to country Oklahoma. Let's ride more on a beautiful Saturday night. JP, good. Do it. Hey, watch out. Did you see that?
I do not always stand directly.
Finals rodeo 2 times as well. We are lucky to have him here on a Saturday night, the last one to play the game. To the feed. Come on, round and round, Waynesboro. This is the last one tonight to try to go to the big show. $500 at stake. Money's at stake. The points are at stake. He's got the rosin. All he needs you. Keep it going. Come on. We're going to do it. Here we go. Outside. Do it. Oh, Justice Boone. Hey, don't go back there. That's where the ball's going.